Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, I beg. Wake up, wake up. Nene.
What are you doing here?
What's the meaning of this? I can't sleep for my room.
Excuse me? What does that mean?
Now what do you mean by that? Baby, please, I don't want any problems. Ask her to leave. Madam, can't they go guest room, go sleep? Don't make me vent my anger on you. Go guest room, go sleep.
Nene, can you behave yourself right now?
My love, I don't come collect my rightful position. What? Now my rightful position be this.
Are you crazy? What's the meaning of this?
I don't know what they talk about. Now here I go sleep this night. Me and you go sleep for this bed this night.
When did you become this violent?
Bible talks say violent people, and then they take them by force. So I don't come take them by force. Madam, go guest room. Baby, let's go. Let's go to the guest room. Yeah, leave her here.
You need help. You need help.
Where you they go?
Excuse me?
Where you they go? You go sleep for this place. Auntie. Oh yeah. Auntie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Waka for more too. What's in this nonsense all about? Okay, come lie down my sleep.
And then what's this?
When you finish, you don't sleep for me.
Nene, have you lost your mind?
Yes, sir.
Can I have the key?
I'm not Crystal.
Can I have the key?
My name is Crystal. I'm not mad.
Can I have the key?
Which key? Come on, we sleep.
Nene, I'm going to get you arrested.
Arrest me!
I'll get you arrested!
I go tell police what you do me. I go tell police what you do me.
Are you crazy?
I'm mad. You don't make me mad. I don't crazy finish. Okay, come bed.
Nene, are you crazy?
And I don't crazy.
Listen to me.
I don't crazy.
Don't let me hit you.
Beat me.
I've never done it before.
Beat me.
Don't let me do it now.
Kill me.
Then let me have the key.
Which key?
Are you crazy?
I don't mad. Let me. Okay. Let me go. Let me go. Hey.
Let me have the key.
You know,
Come on, give me.
Okay, you go.
Are you crazy?
You go kill me today.
Nene!
We go die for you. Let me.
Nene!
Waiting.
Nene!
Waiting.
Can you stop?
No.
Can you stop?
No. Go. Huh? Where you go?
What stupid question is that? Do I look like a kid to you? Because I'm going out?
You don't say you not be better person. You just wake up this morning. You don't even say, Nene, wake up, or good morning, or you sleep where? You just want to leave me, come on, run, come on for house. Eh? That's what you they do. You be wicked person, you be wicked man. You wicked. You.
Nene, what in God's name are you talking about? Huh? What are you thinking? I'll spend my hard-earned money, put up a building, a structure like this, then run away because of you? You must be out of your mind. Listen to me, I don't want your troubles this morning. I have a new building project to take care of. That's where I'm going, so don't stand in my way.
My investment. Wait, you did build another house? So we will get two houses. Hey, Jesus! My investment! Hey! God don't do it for you. For us, so. God don't do it for us. I tell you now, I say, anything where I place my hand, you must prosper. See now, I don't touch your life now, you don't prosper. You see, hey, this house, we will use and take do.
But I get investment to know. You see my I must make sure that he is a man, no matter what he go cost, no. Jay, I come to invest money. It's a good office, he can go chop well. Everything na me. My friends, he come they ask me, say, Jay.
Hey. Where do you think you're going?
I dey go our house sites now.
Nene, you are beginning to make me uncomfortable in my own house. You need to stop pestering me and stop frustrating my life.
I beg. No make me change up for you. Now me they speak English for. When they sponsor you, they do everything, empty my account for you. You don't remember how they frustrate you. You know what I go through for village. See, it can not make me change jam for you. Enter this motor, they go where would they go? In fact, I dey wait for you inside.
I dey work, I dey hustle. I dey making money, but I get investment to know. Yeah, I must make sure that he is a man, no matter what he go cost. Jay, I come to invest money. It's a girl of facing. He can go chop well. Everything na me. My friends he come they ask me say, Jay, now what do you they use money do? Jay, I tell them come and see my investment. Jay, come and see my heart rub. Come and see my ride or die. Now him the chop my money. Simple.
I still can't believe this. I still can't believe that local disgusting village girl was the one who sponsored your fiancé abroad. How was she able to get that kind of money back then in the village? Are you sure Ikem is not playing games with us? It's possible he's playing games with us and we are falling for it.
Come on, Mom. No, it's not a game. I've overheard your conversation severally, and this is not a game. Mom, please. I just told you. And each time it's the same thing. She begins to lash out and on how much she has suffered, on what she went through to send him abroad, and how she suffered after he left. And the next thing is, Ikem begins to feel emotional. He starts to feel sorry for her. Then he starts to plead with her, beg her to stop, tell her to calm down. It's the same thing over and over again, so trust me, it's not a game.
Oh, but why all this happening now? Why are all this happening now? Look, since he came back, I've not even had time for us to sit down and for me to tell him about my business plans. Because he promised to support me when he comes back.
Mom, you're talking about business plans. I had plans to take him from him immediately he gets back. But guess what? I've not even seen his boxes. Because Almighty Nene is keeping him hostage. Mom, that girl feels deeply hurt. She's not faking it. I'm a woman, I know how it feels. And she's ready to go to any length to prove how angry she is. So don't talk about business plans, please. Not now. But Mom, I'm scared. That girl might just take my man away from me.
Oh no. Oh no, that's not possible. Look, don't even go there. Don't even bother yourself. That little girl is too small. It's too small to take Ikem away from you. She won't do that. Who is she? There's no way we are going to live here. No way. We are not living here. In fact, you are not living here. Never.
But Mom, hell had no fury when it comes to this kind of a woman. You should know that.
Why you stop us, Nana? Here we dey go. We don't reach.
Nene,
My investments.
we need to stop wasting our time. We need to go our separate ways. We're not compatible. Alright? Listen, I want to settle you so you can move on with your life.
I don't understand the grammar where you dey speak. Which one we are not compatible? What you they talk so? Make me understand. Clear me.
We don't fit each other. We're not compatible. You don't expect a guy like me, an educated guy like me, who lived abroad, to come back home and marry a village girl. It doesn't make sense. Listen, I promise to give you 10 million. All right? I give you 10 million for all of the stress you went through just for me. Just go on and move on with your life.
Wait. You go give me 10 million.
Straight up.
Na big money be that too. No problem. If you go give me the money, okay. No wahala. I go carry my load, go back village, make you marry your white witch.
Listen, I'm not playing here, okay? Are you sure you're going to leave my life once I give you the money?
As long as you go give me the money, I go live your life. Maybe you want marry that white witch. You go marry him now, no wahala. You go marry him. You give me the money, I go.
Alright, that's fine. I'll transfer the money to you right away.
You know, sir, I no get phone now. So I no go fit receive alerts. So what you go do be say you go buy me new phone. As you buy me the new phone, you carry me go bank and make I comot small money. So I go change myself. You know, buy things to look good before I go.
Alright, deal. Nene, if that's the only thing I'm going to do today, or I'm going to achieve today, I'll be the happiest man in the world.
So why do you no problem?
Have a deal. It's just simple logic. I mean, we don't match each other. We're not compatible. I mean, I know it's crazy.
It can be don't do no wahala.
Let's just stop the pretense, all right? Because I'm getting irritated. I want to go out. You're coming with me. My investment. You keep embarrassing me. I'm getting tired. Come on.
I don't dey answer you since now. I see they shout. Person no go rest again.
Are you mad? You dare talk to me like that? Have you gone nuts? What's wrong with you?
But I better talk what you want to talk. Make I come out of it. I mean the rest.
Anyway, take this money, run to the market and get me some fruits.
Nothing Musa no go see forget to. Anyway, take this money, run and get me some fruits. As what? Your robot. No now. As what? Your errand boy. See, my problem is you have refused to wake up from this your slumber. It is a new day. Yes, it's a new day. And a new government under the leadership of Commander Nene. She is the only one that can send me on an errand. That's the only institution that can send me, and not you and this your wicked mother.
Have you gone mad?
See, drop this hand down. What do you worry you? What do you carry life for head? Any day you raise this your dirty hand when they use they wash your dirty bum close to my face, I go change that for you. Come on, they go. Go that I don't even feel when I get there. You and your wicked mother will say, when I nearly kill and throw one inside bush. God there, they tell you, go and mommy fruit kill you there. New government. I don't feel like you. Rubbish.
Wow. Bella, what are you doing and where do you think you're going?
I need to leave this place right now. I have friends all around town. I could stay with any one of them so I don't fall into depression. Mom, you know what? Just go back inside your room. Start getting your things ready. You need to go back to the village.
Which village? Eh? Where will I stay in that village?
My father's house, of course.
Which of your father's house? The same father's house I told you your fiancé asked me to demolish because he wants to build a new one for me. Didn't I tell you that even the last time I went for August meeting, I squatted in my sister's house now?
What? No. Take it back a notch. What did you just say? You demolished my father's house? Mama, what were you thinking? What if Ikem doesn't build us a new house?
Why are you raising your voice? Why are you raising your voice as if I demolished the mansion? Eh? That your father's house is outdated. It's no longer befitting of our status.
Don't you dare, Mom. Don't you dare downplay my late father's efforts. What's this? What gives you the right to even do that? Even if it was a small heart, you had no right to do that, Mom. You had no right. He gave us everything he had. He did his best for us. What if Ikem doesn't get us a new house?
There are no ifs. There are no ifs. He has promised. He will fulfill it. That is why I'm asking you to calm down. Calm down. See, it's a trying phase for us. Let's just endure everything that is happening now. Because I know very soon you will enjoy the fruit of our endurance. Yes.
Mom, I am tired. I can't do this anymore. I'm tired of the constant embarrassment. I'm tired of the constant insults. Even the gate man, he no longer has any respect or regard for me.
It's okay, my daughter. It's all right, my angel. Look, you need to understand that this is a phase. You need to be strong. Be strong for us. Because in this battle, there's only going to be one winner. And that's you. And when that happens, even that gate man, you see that gate man, I will personally kick him out. As for Nene, Nene is already gone. So my angel, please, calm down, okay? Calm down, you're not going anywhere. All right, this is your home. If at this moment, let me start packing that bag. I'm going nowhere. You have come.
Hey babe. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, you're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
So you left me here all day to take that village girl shopping.
Alright babe, you need to calm down. Okay, I can explain. Relax. There's good news. So, Nene and I had a deal. She leaves tomorrow morning.
What? Are you serious?
Yes. So I made her an offer she couldn't turn down. Yes, I made her a huge offer. She couldn't say no, so she leaves tomorrow morning.
Hey! Like you're serious?
Very serious, yeah.
Finally, we're going to have peace in this
Of course, Mom, finally!
Absolutely.
My investment! My investment! My investment!
Nene, I'll be with you shortly, please. So I told her that we need to sort this entire situation out peacefully, without any conflicts. And I offered her something really huge, and she accepted.
Really?
Yes.
Sweetheart, thank you so much for doing this for us.
I'm doing it for you because I love you.
I was going to lose you.
Oh, come on.
I told you you would laugh last.
Yeah.
Listen, I couldn't have ended up with her. Of course, you know me. I've got class, taste, and all of that.
Thank you. You know what? Let me get you a drink. Thank you so much.
Mama, just a moment. I'm right back.
Hello? Hey, too local. Eh? Every time when you go to speak English, you must add Igbo. Eh? You never ever change though. How far now? What did they happen? Now me, life and direct. Mama, how na day now? Mama, I go die before. Mama, wetin make me call una be say as e be so. Everywhere kpalash, nothing dey happen. Mama, as I dey talk to you, my investment don come back. I dey stay for Ikem mansion like this. Yes, sir. Mama, everywhere good. How una dey now? Okay. Which police station? Calm down. See, send me your account number, Chine. Send me your account number. I will send you 6 million naira. I won't send you that money in case he can change his mind because I not to trust her. So 1.5 million naira, you go give her that man why they owe. You go give him. As you give him, tell him say I know, make him no vex. Say get a situation take be say make him forgive me. Then when you open my shop, when you collect back my shop, use 2 million go buy goods, stock up my shop. You dey hear wetin I dey tell you? Because I no too trust Ikem. If he change him mind, so I want make sure say everywhere dey okay, everywhere dey soft. Then the remaining money keep am for me. But before then, make you and Mama make una manage 200,000 naira. Una shop well. Then the remaining money, I know how much you remain. No touch that my remaining money. Just keep am for me for emergency. You dey hear wetin I dey talk? Bless you, una never shop this afternoon. Wetin una dey shop for there? Una dey drink garri wetin? Una throw away the garri. I wan hear as una throw away am. Oya, una throw away am. Money don come. Everywhere don palash. I go talk to una later, Una stay well, oh. Okay. Send me the account number, sharp. All right. That's so it's supposed to be. Rubbish. Jojo.
My commander. Oh, asam pete manya. My madam.
I be your madam.
Yes, now.
You go to respect
Like
me.
you be my madam. Any other madam na count of you.
Shut up.
Do anything to me, you're my madam. Bread. Give me my drink tea.
No be bread.
Hey, bread. Nene, madam, what you going to do now?
You go use and go toilet. You ask me question. I dash you. You know, say you be better person. You see that advice where you give me, I use them. I dey wait for scores.
You mean now?
Yes, sir. So this one are your own, may use and take enjoy. Person will work must chop.
My village people don't feel this time.
Yes, sir.
See, Natana go fire anybody way say may God no bless you.
Amen.
I tell you.
Amen.
But I say make I ask you, what if Oga now can't go call those bank people? Can't to say he mistakenly send that money to your account? Can't say make them block your account? What you could do now?
Forget that thing. You not trust me? I don't handle her.
Yeah.
I call my sister. I tell my sister, say, make she go withdraw the money small. They withdraw. Make she use and take fill my shop. Make it fill am from top to bottom. Make things full my shop. Then make she save the remaining. Anyway, make she just save and make she keep am where I no go see her. Before Oga go notice her.
Since when they born me, I never see person away from village get sense like you. I tell you.
Sure me say I come from village.
Like you, as in, you know, say they say you no get sense. But today,
the things I no get
you
sense.
get better sense.
I get sense.
Yes, now.
See, the only thing be say, they too they betray people wey get good hearts. Now good heart, my good heart no go kill me for this life.
You know, if kill you.
No go kill me for this life.
You, but the only thing I want you be say, you know, say get as person go dey good. Because just they do good and they'll come take advantage of it. You get some kind of good where they keep person. Like this one now, where you do give Oga. They good fit kill you. No try am next time.
No be the good that they enjoy now. No be the good that they enjoy now. See, nothing stop anybody to do good. Do am from say you want do good. May God reward you. And now my rewarding na be this one.
I tell you.
See Anna.
I tell you.
Just they do good.
This
they
one
go.
I confirm rewarding.
Yes, nah.
See me, yo. This one pass my salary.
I might keep on for you.
Money wey touch, money wey don't come, it don't go overboard. Give me.
Hide that.
You sure say na my own business?
Make I keep
ask me.
Make I keep.
But I told you I can handle it. I told you I'll handle it.
You did?
Yeah.
Yes. No trial. No, just trial. No trial. No try that thing where you want to.
Nene, what are you doing here? What is the meaning of this again?
Good evening. As I leave tomorrow, I get one last wish where I want make you do for me. I want make you hug me. At least, even if at the last hug where you want hug me for this life, make you hug me, make her sleep. Then from tomorrow, she go get you forever. Finish, oh.
Excuse me?
Babe.
Are you out? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Come on. Babe. I think you should just do this for her.
You think what? I should do what? I've settled this girl. I have settled you. We had an agreement. What are you doing here?
Okay, since you want argue, you want fight, come see, more see as I go take leave this house tomorrow.
Calm down. Just wait. So what do you want?
Good. I want to make you just hug me. Hug me tight, make I sleep. Finish. From tomorrow, she go get you forever. You know hard. I be hard.
Come on. Just do it for her.
Okay. I'll help you reiterate what you just said. You want a hug?
Come on, go do a come on, go hug.
Nene,
Hug.
you are not going to cross the line.
I'm not be woman, I be. I want to do you. I want rape you. Not just hug. Now, there's no matter what you don't do since when we dey village. We come to say, I dey smell. Where we dey go?
I know why I'm saying this. I'm not going to do anything apart from a hug.
Come on, we go. Say you no like that. No, go. Come now, sharp. Come now. Fast. I dey wait for you fast.
This entire situation is becoming very embarrassing.
Calm down.
It's becoming embarrassing.
It's
I
just
don't
a
understand.
hug.
What is it?
It's no. Sit down. Rest.
Listen, Nene. Listen to me. You said you wanted a hug. I'm here to give you a hug, that's all. Nothing more. Are you trying? What's wrong with you?
Relax.
Why are you doing this now? Nene, wake up.
Oh, Jesus. My husband, good morning.
Who is your husband? Stop it. You need to get ready and leave. You need to go back to the village.
Go where? This kind of early morning. I know they go anywhere. Oh.
Excuse me?
My husband, I know they go anywhere. No verse.
Nene, we had an agreement. You need to keep to your own part of the bargain.
Ikem, you be my life savings investment. Now me gets you.
What?
I know they leave you for anybody. Even if the girl, not native doctor daughter, I no go leave you.
What the hell are you talking about?
You hear what I tell you?
I made you an offer. I give you 10 million and you took it. You need to leave. That was the agreement. You need to keep to it.
The money big, I know. But that 10 million, no fit wipe away everything what I do for you. Where people dey, where I suffer for you. Why give you food, make you chop when nobody dey there for you? Now maybe your family. You see, for this singular reason, I know they go nowhere. So get used to that. Say now me and you forever.
Nene, so
Yes.
why did you take the money from me?
Let's say bomb to your head. No make me vessel. No make me remember things I don't forget. No make me remember her.
Why are you doing this? What the hell is wrong with you? You lured me into your room and made me have sex with you. I cheated on my fiancé. What the hell is wrong with you?
Now today we don't do am. I not be not be me and you they do this thing every day for village. Why you dey talk like sister now today we do this thing? Oh God, now me and you for life. I know they go anywhere. I die here. You be my investment. You be
Nene,
my life.
I hate you. Do you understand? You need to stay the hell away from me. You disgust me.
Hey. I disgust you. Now you go disgust yourself. Where you there when nobody give you 1 naira? Why empty my account for you, train you for school? Where you there? I no disgust you. You dey tell me say I disgust you. When I give you food when nobody see you, thunder fire you. God punish you.
Tell them come and see my investment, yo. Come and see my heart up, no. Come and see my ride or die. Now him the chop my money.
You've been pacing around ever since you got back. What's the problem?
That idiot used me. She played a fast one on me. She made me believe she would leave this house after I gave her so much money. I gave her a huge sum of money. We had a deal. And now she's telling me, oh, I'm her investment. I'm her retirement plan. She can't leave me for any other woman that we're meant to be together. I must marry her. What nonsense is this? I don't understand.
What exactly do you not understand? No. What do you not understand? I don't get it. What is stopping you from sending her out? Because you keep singing the song over and over and over again and it's become really boring. I am tired of hearing it. What is stopping you? What is that thing that is stopping you from throwing her out of this house? You know what? Since you cannot do it, let me humor you. I'll gladly do it for you.
And where are you going?
To our room, of course.
Listen, don't do this. You know, Nene can be very violent. I don't want you to get hurt.
I don't care. Just because you're a coward and a weakling does not make me one.
What did you say?
You are a coward and a weakling. But watch me. Because she's leaving this house this minute. This morning. I won't take this nonsense.
Baba God, I know say I no sabi pray, but I just will ask you for something. I won't make you forgive me. I know say wetin me and Ikem do last night. E no good. Eh? But no be say na today we don't do the thing before, but I just say make you forgive me. Make you use this opportunity where we take day last night, make I fit get belle. Make I take hold am because I don too suffer. I no go allow another person come take wetin I don suffer. No be say they not born the person where to take am, but I beg. Make you just make I get belle from this thing wey happen last night. So that I go use that one take whole body. I don too suffer. Now from your own daughter, Nene, no vex for me say I dey pray this kind prayer. I know say wetin we do na sin. But just use that sin take bless me. Amen and amen. And any of my enemies wey won't disturb this plan, Father Lord, I won't make you destroy them, make you kill them. Hey, you know they kill person because you be God. Just help me block those people wey won't spoil my plan. Amen. No verse for my prayer now because of fear. I dey talk am from place where they pain me. Don't too pain me. Now what I say make I reason with you, Baba God. Thank you.
You shameless cheat.
What is this?
What is what?
What are you doing?
No. What are you doing?
Why are you holding my shirt?
Why would I hold your shirt?
Are you out of your mind?
No, you are out of your mind. No, Mom, let me disgrace this shameless cheat.
What is wrong with you?
He came. So you stooped so low to sleep with that local dirty village girl?
I beg your pardon?
You beg my pardon? Are you going to stand here, look me in the eye, lie to me that you didn't sleep with her?
Ikem, is that true?
Mommy had sex with her!
Oh my word. Oh my God. Ikem, Papa. How could you now?
Mama, it wasn't intentional, okay? It wasn't.
Oh! Are you going to stand here and tell us, oh, she seduced me, she...
Ikem, this is no good now. I don't want to push
That local dirty village girl seduced you, Ikem. You're classless. You're shameless. Just like all men.
Ikem, this is not good.
Mama, I lost control. All right? I lost control. I'm sorry.
You lost control and you entered.
Mommy said he lost control. He lost control, Mom.
But how could you, Bella? How could you? In fact, I'm totally disappointed at you. How could you allow your husband to spend a night with another woman? Don't you know that will expose him to sexual temptation?
What sexual temptation, Mom? Tell me, which one exactly? How can Ikem have sexual urge towards that dirty local girl? Mom, that's just a reason to justify his infidelity. And you stand there to blame me. Bravo to women supporting women, Mom. She came here, asked for one simple thing. Just one night. And she wasn't even asking for sex, Mom. She just wanted a hug. Just for him to hold her.
And you believed her?
Who wouldn't believe it, Mom? Who wouldn't? Mom, Is that enough reason for him to go there and have sex with her? No, tell me! Is that enough reason? He's just shameless, he's classless, he's an egot, Mom. For a lady who has done everything, sacrificed everything to send him abroad, what is a hug? She just needed a hug. Then she will allow us be together forever. That was the deal. He was supposed to stick by it. But he went there and he slept with her like the shameless dog that he is.
You see why I said I'm disappointed at you?
Mom, you know what? Enough. I am no longer needed in this house. So we should just get our things and leave this place. Let's go.
You make me laugh. A common village girl just played a simple trick on you and you fell for it. Now you are calling me women supporting women. Can you imagine? Can you just listen to yourself? You see why I said I'm highly disappointed at you? With your level of education and exposure, a dirty, stinking low life you employed by yourself could just play a simple trick on you. Okay, now, where are we going to? Where are we going from here? I told you your father's house has been demolished. Did I not? I know you have friends that can harbor you here in the city. But what about me? Where do I go to? That is why you need to calm down. You need to calm down. We need to call your husband for a meeting. Or your husband to be for a meeting. Present our request to him. He must fulfill his promise. Yes. And let's see if that is the only thing we can grab for now. But until then, you are not going anywhere.
Mom, it's like you don't understand it. How long do you want me to live constantly in this embarrassment, in this shame? Do you even realize the gravity of what is going on? Do you understand that this lady could actually get pregnant from just one night, Mom?
Says who? Says who? Is that how it works? Now just she use. Who is she? Are you telling a mother like me what reproduction is all about? And by the way, what are you waiting for? I expected that by now. You should also be, a baby should be growing in your womb by now.
But when exactly would I have the time to do that? When she doesn't even allow me to be with my man?
Well, this is war zone. You can't just give up. Not at this time.
Mom, you're being selfish here. You're being selfish.
My in-law, please don't be offended. I actually called you so that we can discuss something very important.
Oh, that's okay. I don't have a problem at all. Yeah.
You know you promised that you build me a house in the village when you come back. And it's been over a week you returned. I just said, let me remind you.
Mama, you know, I promised I would, build you a house when I settle.
Yes, now. It's over a week already. You have settled down, but you're not even talking about it again.
No, Mama. I think you misunderstood me. The truth is, I wanted to come back home and start up a company. Yes, I wanted to start up a company and, grow it. And when I start making money from it, I'll build you a house. That's what I meant.
My lord, that one would take time now. That one would take time. Well, immediately Bella told me you're coming back in a week's time. I quickly called some boys in the village to help me demolish the place.
What?
Yes. Yes, they helped me to demolish the place so that you have a space now to build the house for me.
Ma, you did what? You demolished your house because I promised to build you a house?
See, that house is already old. They're just calling it house. Even the roofs were already leaking. That house is nothing to write home about. It's not befitting for someone you called mother-in-law. Even you will not even like it. So it was better I demolished it so that you have a fresh land to build for me.
Mama, but that's not right. I know I promised to build you a house, but I intended to do that after I must have made profit from, the businesses I intend to set up. Mama, that's unbelievable.
You better believe it, You had better believe it. As I speak with you now, I'm homeless.
I am homeless. Your mother-in-law is homeless. That's why it looks like I've been around since you came back. I don't have anywhere to go. Huh? You have to do something, oh. How can I have an in-law from Obodo Yibo and I will not have a home? I've already told all my friends that my in-law is coming back to raise a magnificent building for me.
Me say $1,000 now 1 million naira. You tell me say you go make money, come back with the ball. You tell me
What is the meaning of this? Do you want to lose your job? Listen, woman, listen very well. It's a very simple question. Did you come here on invitation, or the original madam of this house approved your visit?
Which original madam? Are you okay? Don't you know that Bella is my friend? Do I need approval before I come to this house? Come on!
Wait.
Come on, get back here!
Yeah.
What the hell is going on there? Jojo!
Respect yourself.
Come on! Thank God you're
Respect your old age. I go tell you now.
Jojo, what's happening here? Why don't you want to let her into the compound?
Bella, thank God you're here. Where did you get these fools working for you from? First it was your maid, now your gate man. I don't understand. What is the meaning of this?
Jojo, don't you know Vera anymore? Let her in.
Mama, I cannot let her in. It's a simple thing. They say you should not come in. The original madam gave me order that nobody that looks like her should come inside this compound. Why can't you understand? Okay, then what?
Get out of this place. Is it because I've been keeping quiet? You want to lock horns with me? Are you stupid? What is wrong with you? You know what? By the time all of this is over, I'll make sure you're sacked. Better start job hunting. Idiot.
There's no problem. But I promise you one thing. Nende will win this battle. Oh yes! Nene is going to win the battle. All her sweat, her investment, whatever that you people have tried to take away from Nene, Nene will win the battle. It's a promise. Very soon, you and your wicked mother will leave this compound. And you, Tolo, you cannot sit at home. You cannot sit in your own house. You are waiting for some. You are always visiting. Why can't she visit you? Huh? Why can't she visit you? Why you don't visit her for your house? Why somebody come visit you? Anum Pama. Idiot.
You mean this has been going on and you didn't bother to call me?
I was confused. I didn't know what to do. Just when I thought everything was over, it started all over again. I don't know what else to do, Vera. I'm just exhausted. I'm drained.
Bella, if I were you, I will not leave my relationship for that local village girl.
Yes, I'm done.
A relationship that is almost leading to marriage. God, you have to fight with everything in you. You can't just leave it like that.
Jet Li, Chunga, Changun. You want to fight for her? Oh yeah, come fight. Come fight me. I want to see me you fight me.
I'm actually here for you, you this dirty girl. So you destroyed my foreign clothes without letting me know.
What are you talking about?
Yes, she burnt my clothes and she didn't even let me know.
Hope you like the map of Africa why it's stamped for there. You like our Avi? If I count 1 to 5, you know come up for here. You know go like yourself.
Come on, get out. Who do you think you are? Look at this one. If you count 1 to what? Who do you think you are? Go and come back. Don't tell me that. Go and come back. Let me see what you can do. You don't trust that what? I am not afraid.
Come back here. Come back here. Make I show you what I be. Come back here. Make I show you what I be.
Who be the thief?
Jojo,
Huh?
how does I tell me you not allow this useless girl come this house?
I don't understand. They pursue am.
Is that a joke with you? Is that a joke with you? The next time I go see you super for you, I go break your head. Oh yeah, go close the gates.
Keep the stick away now. Take a minute.
Just try me next time.
Nene. No worry, next time I go buy time. Is it you that talking? This stick, na me go use them for you.
Yeah, madam. Jesus. Bia. This woman. 1, 2, 3, 4 meats. Only you. You be thief. Oh no, shaky. Madam, how you only you with a chop 4 meats?
But that's the number of meat we used to eat in this house.
Used to. It is I don't understand English. Now past tense be that one. Now olden days, now me they in charge. Anything why I talk, now you go do. If you don't like a madam, go hug transformer or return that meat. I said make you, I go carry this, we go give Jojo.
It's okay. I'll return.
See this woman, no. She be Bible talker. The first person go be the last, and the last person go be the first. Oh, and they meant to worry. See as the word they turn around. You see, see your position, see my position. As he dey sweet me, he dey pain you. As he dey pain me, he dey sweet me. Mba. As he dey sweet me, he dey pain you. As he dey pain you, omo he dey sweet me. You see am? How many minutes you put? Oh yeah, carry the food dey waka comot. Carry am dey go. You won't carry 4 meat. See you won't carry 4 meat. Now you get the money. Thief. Oh no, she. Oh no, he. Go carry the pot. Carry and they go your house. This life is good when you they do good. Now see your life. See your life for grand. For go carry the pot go your house. And na me they in charge. Hey!
So I wanted to discuss something very important with you. I have a brilliant plan. I intend to sell this house. After I do that, I'll take Nene to the village. I'll make her believe I'm going to get married to her. When she follows me to the village, I'll leave her there, run back to the city, so we can have enough privacy to plan for our wedding.
That's a brilliant plan indeed. So, how fast can you get buyers for the house?
So I spoke to an agent already. He told me he would make a buyer available by weekend. So the plan is to make Nene believe I'm going to marry her in the village. When I get there, I'll leave her there. I'll come back to the city, find a beautiful location far away from this place. I'll buy a house. That way we can have enough privacy to plan for our wedding and leave happy. But there's a problem. I need a favor from you and your mother.
Which is?
Henceforth, before I carry out my plans, you and your mother must be patient. Endure anything Nene does. Don't fight her. Don't complain. Act stupid. Act like you don't know anything.
What?
Yes. That way, my plans would work. I do not want hard to decode my moves. She must not know what I am planning. The only way we can make that happen is pretend everything is fine, act stupid around her, act like you don't know what's happening. Just be nice to her. Even if she slaps you, accept it. She talks rudely to you, accept it. Please, you have to tell your mother to do the same thing. And after that, boom, everything is fine. I'll go to the village, I'll leave her there, come to the city, find a beautiful location, buy a new house, and our happiness starts from there. What do you think?
Well, the only reason I will agree to this is because I love you.
Of course, I'm doing all of this because I love you too. All right, let's drink to that. To our freedom. That's the only way out. I know you'd like it.
Finally.
What's happening?
Nene, I know we have been enemies for a while now. And to an extent, I thought I could run away from you. But I've just realized that I can't leave this life without you.
Yes, now.
No matter how far I run, every road I take leads back to you. And I've realized that you're the love of my life.
Mommy, you dey talk.
And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
You see, what's happening? Hey! You want to marry me? Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, sorry.
And will you marry me?
Make us see. Now this one they call diamond ring, Abi. Hell! I talk calm. I said one day your sense go come back. That's what you supposed to be now. See, I be your wife, Tete. Stand up, my husband. Stand up. I be your wife, Tete. Will you put her for my hand? Put her before you change your mind. Put her. That's how you supposed to be. Wait, oh. Hey.
Nene, I want to meet your people. I can't wait to start the marriage rites. Yeah.
You don't meet my mama before now. No worry, everything go happen. Me say, I go call my male tomorrow. No, I go call her today. Tell her say, your people they come tomorrow. Everything don't settle now. Abi?
I need you to do me a favor.
What's it with that?
I want you to go downstairs with me. I want to tell them, Bella and her mother, that it's over.
Now waiting, I be want ask you. When they go come up for her ass?
As soon as possible.
Where we go?
Listen to me.
Hey.
I need to tell them that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. And they need to exit my house.
We dey talk English. Where we dey go? Let me go help you tell them. Come on, we dey go. Let me go help you tell them. Come on, we dey go. Where they go?
Yes.
My people, how are they? I'm market. You get wetin my investment one young man. Oh yeah, my investment over to you.
Bella, I really don't know how this would sound, but I have to speak my mind. Nene and I, we come from way back.
Don't tell. You don't really take.
I know this is going to be very heartbreaking for you and your mother. But like I always tell people, everything happens for a reason.
Mm-hmm.
I love Nene so much. And I've always loved her even before I traveled abroad.
Child.
She was there for me.
I suffer. I suffer.
She did literally everything for me.
Mm-hmm.
And since I came back, I have tried to stay away from her. I have tried to send her away, but it's not working.
If you work.
And that's to show you that we are connected.
Now so God wants me to be. Now so.
I know this is heartbreaking, but Bella, I love Nene and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
He don't propose to me. See the ring. See the diamond ring.
How dare you? How could you possibly do this to me? After all the promises you made to me. Oh my God, Mom. Oh God.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Sorry? Oh God. What now happens to me? Oh God.
Now waiting I want to put on a come begin dey go. No chance for una for here. Mona dey go. Mona come dey go. Mona come dey go. Please calm down. Look at me. Am I not old enough to do that? You don't be my mother. Oh. You don't be my mother at all. My mother, na very good mother. You be bad woman. You be bad mother. I don't want to be your mother again. Please. What am I scared of? You should give me some time. As I speak with you, my husband's house is beautiful. Don't understand it. You not fit stay here, madam. Please, you see, just give us some time. We will leave. Just give us some time. Yes. Then, so that we can organize ourselves. I leave your house. Yes. Leave your house for you. My investment. I don't see how. I don't want to hear your voice. I don't want to hear your voice. I don't want to hear your voice. You don't see what I'm trying to tell you. See, God don't open found now. She don't see everything. Because I say I'm a good person. I know they pay evil with evil. Nobody said they say train me. They train me where? They train me where? My mama train me. I will give them 2 weeks. And I might ask for this. Now my investment has. Now me and I ask for this. But I will share consultant. My baby novice. We are going to stay 2 weeks. And that 2 weeks. Oh. You want to talk something?
Yes. Just 2 weeks is enough for us to get an apartment.
You see they speak English. It is like that you just can't stay your house, cross leg until I go walk. Mommy, where? You clean toilet. You say what? Watermelon. Icharena, you want go? Hey, you now, slave queen. Auntie, where? You go dey wash plates, they clean house. You follow your mama, they walk up. Because you know that sauce. Yes! Come here! Denisa! This is your name. I will come out and finish. Go walk. And you go cook. Because you never ever cook for this house since I come. Nonsense! One has vermouth for here. I don't see one now. Now, say that the other way around. Now, pursue me for this house. I know they pay evil with evil. Wicked people. Witches and wizards.
investment.
Chimo. Chimo. My baby.
Why you dey frown your face?
Is that not too much? What you asking?
You know too much, oh. You know say when you never come, na me dey clean all the house. As this house wey big, na me dey wash the toilet, na me dey clean everywhere, na me dey still dey cook. I just share the work between two of them. Na small thing now. I did do am before. I no dey complain. See, I be good person. Wetin dey my mind? Say I do am. Relax, chillax. May I give you one cold juice?
My baby.
Borrow money, say you go pay me back. Tell me, say you tell me to send you to Obodo Ibo, but today I don't find you tired.
What is your problem? Do you want to ruin our plans? What is there in washing the plates and me cleaning the toilet just to make that stupid girl think she has won?
Mommy, isn't that too much? Please. How can she ask me to do the dishes while you wash the toilets? Mom, please, this is too much. A maid that I employed.
Well, all that has changed. As you can see, she is the one in charge. So we just have to play along. You know she's stupid. Just make her think she has won. Whereas we are the ones that are going to win. You know that already. So please, wash the plates. I'll go and wash the toilet. Stop looking at your nails, my friend. Get to work. Go. Oh, yeah. Wash it.
Fine.
It's okay, my darling. Don't worry. You see this battle? We are winning. We should have won. Just make her look stupid, okay? It's alright. Let me run along.
Yeah.
My fine bubble. My investment.
Right.
You see, now I dey enjoy my investments.
Babe, you see, I've always wanted to tell you, you deserve more. And I have a lot to give you. Okay? So just be patient.
Okay. You supposed to carry me travel, oh.
I will.
Eh.
Of course.
Where you carry me go?
Where do you want to go?
I feel like say Dubai, but I don't want to go country where everybody don't go.
Don't worry. Once we're done with our traditional marriage, I'll find a good country and I'll take you there.
Talk again.
Once we finish our traditional marriage,
How special?
I'll find a good country and I'll take you there. I promise you. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I won't say when you leave me go, people for village they call me Mumu. Say I send man go abroad. I empty my account. Send you go abroad. Even the man where I borrow money come they pursue me. You know, say I run leave village because the man they find me everywhere. The day why I land city, armed robbers come thief my bag. As they thief my bag, I won't cry, don't be sad, I won't cry, but it's in they pay me. Because I suffer. I come go find uncompleted building. come go stay. Then I don't get money to eat. That's why I can't dey beg people. They beg from one shop to the other. I can't gather money, can't start business because I don't feel hungry. And so the day when I come back from hustle, now some boys come they smoke for the uncompleted building. They almost raped me. I escape. As I escape, don't get any money with me. Now I go begin to look for house where I go stay. Even if I just do they beg them and then they give me food, I just they stay there. Now they I can't jam this house. I don't know this house from anywhere. If you see waiting madam and the mama do me, they wicked me. And they wake up with slap. They sleep with slap. They wicked me so that one day I got sick. I got faint. They got to say I don't die. They can't wrap me, make them go throw me for bush, things that I don't die. Because I don't get person will go help me. He made me well. I'm sorry, sir, they cry. I don't need to cry. You know, sir, I never tell you what happened to me. Bella and mama wicked. They're wicked, well. And I know if you stay, make I see you, make you marry that girl. You go pay me. Even if not the last girl who did this life, even if you don't want to marry me, you know if you marry that girl and the man. The fact that they wrap me won't go through away. God.
It's okay. Wipe your tears. Listen. I am sorry. I apologize for everything. I didn't know you went through this. I didn't know you went through all of that. I'm so sorry.
I beg. Don't leave me, I beg.
No, it's okay. You don't deserve this.
I beg. I don't do so much.
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright.
I beg. God is God, beg.
You don't deserve
I dey work, I dey hustle, I dey making money, but I get investment no. Yeah, I must make sure that he is a man, no matter what he go cost, no.
I don't say you go do it. Nene. Congratulations on your forthcoming wedding. If you don't mind, my mom and I would like to attend.
Now, Chuchu talk. Yes. Chuchu? Mm-hmm. Hey, I got the quantum more. It's just that we're not the fight again. We'll be one family. we be one family, eh? So una fit attend. And 1 week from now, I go down go na ass. Come leave my ass and my investment house for us. So una go come. My husband, hey! I like that name. My husband go send una address of our house.
Yeah, sure. I'll make the address available as soon as possible.
Una take care.
Okay.
May you look after your male.
Of course.
Teach your pikin how to cook. E go good. So that our future husband go see how well. Mona clean house. I don't want come back on the clean everywhere. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
And I go see them on my wedding day.
Safe trip, eh?
My husband.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Mona clean house well, oh. No.
Oh my God.
This is what they call the smell. You see, I told you, we got this game. We are calling the shots, and we are winning. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Nonsense, girl.
Are you okay? How do you mean? Hey, wait. Whoa. What? Babe, are you okay?
Give me water.
All right, just a minute. Sorry, there you go. Are you good? Huh? Sorry. Let's go to the hospital, okay? Alright, let me do something. There you go. We have to go to the hospital. What? We'll have to go to the hospital. Maybe you're stressed out or something. Huh? Sorry. You're running temperature. Sorry. Sorry, almost there, yeah?
Young man, who is she to?
She's my friend. Oh, sorry, my girlfriend.
Doctor, this one where you dey ask question like this. If give us drugs, if you don't want to give us drugs, where we dey go? Which one be which kind of question? Why you dey interview us? Be police? Abeg do fast, abeg get where we dey go.
Sorry, I want to know your relationship with her. So, although it's a good news, sir. So it's not a bad news. Madam Rejoice, you're 2 weeks pregnant.
I don't get belle.
Yes.
Hey, Jesus!
How?
Jesus, you dey answer prayers, oh. Hey, my husband! Like this time will be person, papa and mama. Oh. So I dey carry back. No wonder they vomit for road as we dey come, that they vomit. My body dey hot. Hey, yes. My husband, you not happy? Na better news now.
Oh, of course I like it, but it's just everything is happening too fast.
That's so good, what I mean. That's so good, what I mean. Doctor, your company no go born. Patients no go die for your hospital. Just believe me. Hey!
But doctor, she needs medical attention. She was running temperature. I brought her here.
Yes, I will write some drugs for you, yeah? Right, you get them from pharmacy.
Hey, no wonder they vomit, I say. God, oh, baby,
Hey, Mama.
have to be going to the salon to make your hair.
To do what?
So that they wash it very well and style it for you. See,
You see,
you see white. No, white hair full your hair.
Am I a child?
I know you're not a child, but let them wash it.
I'm of age. So that white gray hair, that white hair you are seeing is normal.
Mama, don't show.
You won't win me. Go open this. Mama! Mama, how far now? I don't change, Javi.
Nana.
Eh?
Onya dinka. Ogo.
Na me na.
Hey!
See my hand.
Onya ba.
Don't worry, in the call. In the call, Mama.
Nana.
Mama, you know they look bad though. I see your body.
I go look bad.
See him. I tell you, say, he can go make up.
Is this it?
My investment. Now a motor be that. Hey! Come out for road. This one a small motor, now one of your motor. One of you get plenty cash. Very plenty. Eh? No worry. He came down fresh.
He came here.
Ma.
Is this you?
Yes. How are you?
Ogo.
Yes.
He came. Happy to see you too.
He came up to see Chinena.
Yeah.
Where? Greet and where? Greet and where?
How are you? Alright.
So, you're welcome.
Yes.
I miss you.
When we go inside.
Sawaka.
Oh yeah, come carry this bag. Carry am.
Let me see Waka.
You show me say Awaka.
Come
Go inside, you be there.
Hey!
Very soon go change this house. Go change this house.
Exactly.
Make I go be our house. Hey, you welcome, eh?
My children, I'm so happy to see you both back together in this big way. It's an evidence to prove that if a chukwu tell Otekoya.
So yes,
Chai. Nana one.
Mama. Mama, I don't see him now. You see, when I dey do good to people they call me Mumu. We now they drink pure water for where we come from. On a bottle water we dey drink.
Oh, one
Mama,
Chai.
what I dey talk be say it good make people they do good. Good. If you do good, God will bless your efforts. See my investments now. When I dey invest, they give them money, give them everything. People they laugh me, they call me Mumu, goats. But see I'm today, Mama, my beautiful husband. The husband where God give me for hunting, and your husband be this. Now be this one. Now my investments.
I'm sorry, Mama. I need to take this call outside.
Okay, okay. Fast, yeah. Okay, Chai, my beautiful man. My beautiful investment. That's how it be, Mama.
Hello? Hi, Bella. Why are you calling me consistently? You're putting pressure on me.
What do you mean by it's becoming too much? What do you mean? You have not been taking my calls, and you expect me not to call you back?
Listen, you should know how these things work. I'm in the village.
You already said that. Come on. You're already in the village. You should be on your way back as agreed. What are you still doing there?
I'll be back soon, okay?
Better.
Mama, drink. Look, when they try to drink bottled water. It's good. Oh. As because I say I don't reach home, now make me they drink this song. Make you not be like say I don't forget my roots.
Where you're coming from?
Shy. Mama, how far now? How my shop?
Shop.
Here.
What we have is no longer shop.
We call it mini supermarket.
So.
Mini supermarket.
So.
Eh? You see those things they sell in those big supermarket? We have all of them in our shop. So now waiting I touch make you do now. Now what did she do? You God will bless you. The money you sent to us did a whole lot of job. Even the man you were owing, the man that you collected that loan from.
Mr. Hilary.
Yes, you know we went to him. We paid him the money and gave him extra 50,000 naira. The man refused to collect the 50,000. He said no, he will not take it. He will not take it, that he's not a greedy man. That the only money he's interested is that one he borrowed you. And that was the money we paid.
Mr. Hilary, now God go bless her.
Amen.
Now good man, oh.
Yes.
In fact, that pursue when pursue me come up for village, now he make me go meet my destiny help.
Oh.
Now he put me the position where I did today. Mama, you know go out. You got out. You got out him. Don't worry, let me not talk the story.
Sister Nane, Brother Ikem is no longer in this compound. He left with his car.
Which one say he left with which car?
I don't know. I didn't see him outside, and I didn't see his car too.
He didn't tell you before he drove out.
I wonder with me and you sit down here. How you go live with him car? I don't understand. You not tell me say he dey go anywhere. Not true. Well, now here you pack her now. Don't be here in pack her.
This point.
Okay, make it not be waiting at the think. No try am. No try. Go bring my phone. Hey, Mama.
It's okay.
Make you not try what you want to do so. Make you not try am. Make it not be waiting at the think you don't do so.
Sister, see your phone. Honest, wait to be one because.
You know the pick call.
He's not picking.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, God. Hey.
Hey.
Is he ringing? Calm down.
Maybe he's driving.
You know the pick
Is
call.
he ringing? Is he
He's
ringing?
driving. He's
Let him
driving.
pick now. Let him pick first.
The pick call.
Sister, calm down. Calm down.
He will come back.
You cannot do what you want to so. Don't do it.
He will come back.
Don't
He's
do
a man.
it.
Hello? Hi, Bella. Yeah, I was going to call you back. Bella, I can't continue with the initial plan.
What? You must be joking, right?
There's a new development. Nene is pregnant for me.
No. You must be joking. What do you expect me to do? What are you even saying?
I'm sorry I can't ask her to take off the child.
No. This is definitely a prank. This is a prank. What's this? What do you mean by that? Okay, what happens to me after waiting all this while? What are you talking about?
Nene has been through a lot for me. She's the reason I am who I am today. And I can't disappoint her a second time. I'm going to marry her. Bella, I understand how you feel. But Nene was there from the very beginning. I'll compensate you and your mother. I intend to send you some money to start your life again. So this is the end of the road for both of us. And don't forget, the house is sold. And the owner is coming any moment from now. So I suggest you and your mother find a place to stay. You'll hear from me shortly. Thank you.
Don't you dare call on me! Don't. No. He's joking, Bella.
My son, Anna, you are back.
Sorry, Mama. I'm so sorry. I had an emergency. I quickly had to take care of it.
I hope everything is fine.
Everything is fine. Okay. Nee, sorry. I quickly had to do something. I'm so sorry. I kept you waiting. And I didn't take your calls. I'm sorry. Yes. How are you? We can go in now. Yeah, sure.
I have Ofora and apple.
Sure. Sorry, I quickly had to do something.
Your uncle was here last weekend, and I have already given him the list for the traditional marriage.
Yes, I saw it already. I'll be coming with my people this weekend to do the marriage rites. Yeah.
This weekend,
Yes.
Child, you are in the What's up, Gumaka? Achacha! Hey, what the apple?
Sorry. It can happen to anybody. Take heart. Mommy, you.
That's why you remain a gate man for the rest of your life.
Thank you. Onabago, for one night. Onabago, for one night. Ganudo. Deepest sympathy. You take a heart. It can happen to anybody. Oh, my bye bye. Onabago for one night. Ganudo. Next time, I'm going to
Lilia,
Nine.
bring your daughter.
Okay.
You don't go. My sister don't go.
So you have it, and you will show us who your husband is among these people.
A small thing, that
But
one. I don't go.
I dey walk, I dey hustle, I dey make money, but I get investment. Yeah, I must make it sure that it's a man, no matter what it go cost. I come to invest money, it's a good facing. He can go chop well, everything na me. My friends, he come, they ask me, say, Jay, now what? Waiting you, they use money do. Jay, I tell them, come and see my investment. Jay, come and see my heart up. Come and see my ride or die.